Okay, so here is some double angle identities here. And let's go ahead and get started with the one on the left and see where that takes us. Now, I'm going to do something that is seems a little bit different here, is that I'm going to work the right-hand side and see where this takes us. And just to go ahead and show that some of these identities, you don't have to necessarily start with the double angle. You can always transfer into the double angle. So, for example, this guy over here, we got cosecant on top, and we got this business of 2 cosine on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the cosecant, turn it into 1 over sine, which is its definition, and that's going to give me 1 over 2 cosine theta sine theta. Okay, and it looks like this guy right here, okay, is an identity, okay, that we can see up here, and that is actually going to get replaced with sine 2 theta, okay, and then once we have it all collapsed down, we can put it back up here, take the reciprocal, so that's going to be the cosecant of 2 theta. And it looks like, yeah, that worked out pretty nicely, okay? So, let's take a look at this next one over here, and we got some interesting stuff going on, and I'm going to, once again, work this, the side that does not have the double angle, interestingly enough, and I think that that's going to work out nicely. So, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to foil the left-hand side. And so when I foil the left-hand side, I'm going to get, and let's see, I'm going to get sine squared x plus and 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x. Okay, so that's just foiling that guy out. So I notice that if I rearrange this, okay, so I'm just going to rearrange this to make it easier to see, that I have a Pythagorean identity there, which I like, and I also have this guy over here, which is an identity. Okay, so we got Pythagorean identity, which we know that is going to turn into a 1, and then we have plus, bringing that down, and we have another identity right here, which is going to turn that back into the sine of 2 theta, or in this case, the sine of 2x. Okay, and looks like yeah, that's how we do that, and it's going to work out the same way when we get our practice, and we'll see how far that you know, we can take these. Some would be a little bit more difficult, but they're all pretty straightforward. So, all right, that's how you do that, and I will see you in the next video.